started doing the removing of the network, so we're gonna do an upgrade to all these. And you guys, how you guys can see in my picture, I got all this mess, so this cable. So we're gonna do a cable management of this, the network of the house. So we're gonna fix all that. And yeah, sorry for the noise. That's my wife cooking. You know how it is. And we're gonna do installation of this device. So we're gonna also install this is the PPN device, so the one we just did in the stuff unboxing. So that's gonna be also installed. You are gonna see that. I'm gonna do a cable managers, and we're gonna come back and you're gonna see little by little how we're gonna do this. Okay. Alright guys, so this is gonna be the upgrade new Wi-Fi we're gonna install in the house. You can see be able to handle more speed. The processor is more faster than the one I got. Normally I got this also for T-Mobile before, and we're just gonna upgrade into this Lincolns, and this is the new one with the subscriber. I think you guys seen it also before on this one, and we're gonna put this together, and that's what we're gonna use for system. Alright guys, so I'll see you back in a few moments. So we've been working on this, and you guys can see it. This is my modem for my internet, and I installed the heatsink for them, so that way keeping it better cooling. And I did a little cleanup on this, and look like a brand new. Was a lot of dust. So probably also the problem with my internet having it. And I'll see you guys once doing the installation, and I just want to show you guys this. Okay, so we're gonna put this back together. I'm just gonna show you, and you can see this is a 300 megabyte modem. That's the one I'm having. That's the one I'm using on the house. So this is my base modem, and I don't use no gigabyte internet. I completely don't need it. I set all the speed for every session, every single week. And guys, so I'll see you in a few minutes back again. Just show you how to put it together. It's just simple. Just plug it down, and we're gonna put the screw over there, and I'll show you in a second how I do. I'll be back. Alright guys, so we already got the modem back together on one screw. That's what we need. And now the next step is just gonna let me get the line in this section over there. Alright, yeah, I can see it. Eventually the plan is to hang this one over here, and together the Wi-Fi is gonna be in another location, and we're gonna keep the modem over here in this area. Wi-Fi is going to the location, and from then we're just gonna connect everything out. Okay guys, so I'll be back in a second. Guys, so we continue with the grade. So we're gonna put this back. This is our modem. It's a 300 megabyte modem, and we're just gonna put it back together. Don't need more speed in the wire gap. Sorry guys, I think I'll put this system up. Alright guys, so this is how we got the modem in. I was about to using a special connection, but we just need it for clearing, so we don't need that much stuff. And I'm just gonna do an application to the power. That's what we're gonna do. And you can see it, the motor says saying that by cleaning out, I didn't do a lot. I'm gonna still do the swap. If I'm gonna let this one, or probably not. This is normally used to be an extension for the modem. You connect stuff to the internet, but with different IP address. For example, my money rate, they're not connected to the same network house. So, like the cameras, they're also connected to the internet. They're not connected to the same area to the house. They're all connected the same way. So far, everything worked out good. I think I'm gonna leave it right now on this moment right here. I'm just plugging this one back. We gotta still do some of the changing stuff like that. And also need to connect this GoPro. So that one's gonna be connected to the ground and going to the other location. I said thank you for watching. I'm just gonna do it right now. It's gonna be like a following up with the next video. or it's gonna be a long one. So one of the two is gonna happen if you see this video continue after this. So that means we decide not to publish this video and we just added the other part.